What if I told you there are 9 SUVs on the market right now that are so reliable, so well built, and so dependable that buying one would be like having a crystal ball that guarantees years of worry-free driving? Imagine never having to stress about unexpected repair bills, never getting stranded on the side of the road, and never experiencing that sinking feeling when your check engine light comes on. Well, stop imagining, because Consumer Reports has just released their 2025 reliability rankings, and the results are fascinating. After analyzing hundreds of thousands of real-world ownership experiences, surveying actual owners, and tracking long-term reliability data, they've identified the absolute cream of the crop, SUVs that have proven themselves in the real world, not just in marketing brochures. Today, I'm going to reveal these 9 automotive champions that have earned the highest reliability scores, the ones that owners actually recommend to their friends and family without hesitation. These aren't just reliable on paper, these are vehicles that start every morning, handle whatever life throws at them, and keep running strong year after year with nothing more than basic maintenance. 1 point, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Starting our list is the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, a vehicle that has redefined what buyers should expect from reliability in the compact SUV segment. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RAV4 Hybrid among the most dependable vehicles across all categories, and for good reason. This isn't just marketing hype, this is backed by real data from hundreds of thousands of owners who report minimal issues even after years of ownership. The RAV4 Hybrid combines Toyota's legendary 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with their proven hybrid system, creating a powertrain that delivers both impressive fuel economy and remarkable durability. Owners regularly report achieving over 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving while experiencing virtually no major mechanical issues. The hybrid system has been refined over multiple generations, eliminating the early concerns about hybrid reliability that plagued some competitors. What sets the RAV4 Hybrid apart isn't just its powertrain reliability, it's the attention to detail throughout the entire vehicle. The build quality is exceptional, with owners reporting that interior components, electrical systems, and even minor details like door handles and window switches continue operating flawlessly years into ownership. The paint quality holds up exceptionally well, and the interior materials show minimal wear even in high-mileage examples. The resale value remains exceptionally strong, with 3-year-old RAV4 hybrids commanding premium prices in the used car market. This isn't just about initial reliability, it's about long-term dependability that gives buyers confidence their investment will continue paying dividends for years to come. 2. Lexus GX460. The Lexus GX460 represents old-school reliability engineering at its finest. While other manufacturers chase the latest technology and complicated systems, Lexus has maintained their focus on proven, durable components that simply work. The result is an SUV that Consumer Reports ranks as one of the most reliable luxury vehicles available, with owners reporting satisfaction levels that are almost unheard of in today's automotive landscape. Built on Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser platform, the GX460 features a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine that has been refined over decades of production. This isn't cutting-edge technology, it's mature, proven engineering that prioritizes longevity over maximum power output. Owners regularly report this engine running smoothly well beyond 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. Interior build quality is exceptional, with materials and construction that justify the luxury price tag. Owners report that leather seats, electronic components, and even small details like cup holders and storage compartments continue functioning properly years into ownership. The attention to detail and quality control that goes into each GX460 shows in the long-term ownership experience. Consumer Reports data indicates the GX460 scores well above average in every reliability category, with particular strength in engine, transmission, and drivetrain durability. While fuel economy isn't class-leading, owners accept this trade-off for the peace of mind that comes with proven reliability and the capability to handle any driving situation. 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has earned its position as America's best-selling SUV through decades of consistent reliability and owner satisfaction. Consumer Reports data shows the CR-V scoring above average or much better than average in virtually every reliability category, making it one of the safest choices for buyers who prioritize dependability over flashy features. Honda's 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, despite initial concerns about turbo reliability, has proven itself exceptionally durable in CR-V applications. The engine management system is conservative and well-calibrated, avoiding the aggressive tuning that can lead to premature failures in other turbocharged engines. Owners report smooth, reliable operation even in high-mileage examples, with many CR-Vs surpassing 150,000 miles without major engine work. The continuously variable transmission, often criticized in other applications, works seamlessly in the CR-V. Honda's programming and calibration eliminate most of the issues that plague CVTs in other vehicles, resulting in smooth operation and surprising durability. Consumer Reports data shows CR-V transmission problems are rare, particularly compared to conventional automatics in some competing vehicles. What makes the CR-V particularly impressive is its consistency. Consumer Reports data shows reliability remaining strong across model years, indicating that Honda has achieved a level of manufacturing consistency that many competitors struggle to match. This means buyers can purchase with confidence, knowing they're getting proven reliability regardless of which specific model year they choose. 4. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 proves that reliability doesn't have to come at the expense of driving enjoyment. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the CX5 among the most reliable compact SUVs, with owners reporting satisfaction levels that reflect both the vehicle's dependability and its engaging driving characteristics. Mazda's naturally aspirated engines are key to the CX5's reliability success. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder avoids the complexity of turbocharging while delivering adequate performance and impressive durability. This engine design has been refined over multiple generations, eliminating potential trouble spots and optimizing components for long-term reliability. Owners report smooth, consistent operation even in high-mileage examples. The 6-speed automatic transmission represents mature, proven technology that prioritizes reliability over the latest innovations. While some competitors offer more gears or continuously variable transmissions, Mazda's approach focuses on durability and consistent performance. Consumer Reports data shows CX5 transmission issues are significantly below average, with most owners experiencing smooth, trouble-free operation throughout their ownership period. Mazda's attention to detail in manufacturing shows in long-term reliability statistics. Consumer Reports data indicates the CX5 scores above average in all major categories, with particular strength in engine reliability and overall build quality. The electrical system is particularly robust, with owners reporting few issues with infotainment, climate control, or other electronic components. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid represents three-row SUV reliability at its best. Consumer Reports ranks it as one of the most dependable vehicles in the competitive midsize SUV segment, with owners reporting satisfaction levels that reflect both its practical capabilities and long-term durability. Toyota's hybrid powertrain in the Highlander combines their proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors to create a system that delivers both impressive fuel economy and remarkable reliability. The hybrid system has been refined through multiple generations of development, eliminating early reliability concerns and optimizing components for durability. Owners regularly achieve over 35 miles per gallon while experiencing minimal mechanical issues. The all-wheel drive system in the Highlander Hybrid uses proven mechanical and electronic components that have demonstrated reliability across Toyota's lineup. Unlike some complex systems that can fail, Toyota's approach prioritizes dependability while still providing confident traction in various driving conditions. Consumer Reports data shows drivetrain issues are rare in Highlander Hybrid ownership. Interior space and versatility are matched by exceptional build quality. The three-row seating arrangement maintains Toyota's reputation for durable interior components and materials. Owners report that seats, trim pieces, and electronic systems continue functioning properly even under the heavy use that three-row SUVs typically experience with large families. Consumer Reports reliability data shows the Highlander Hybrid scoring significantly above average in all major categories. Engine reliability is exceptional, transmission issues are rare, and electrical system problems are minimal. This reliability extends to safety systems, with Toyota's suite of active safety features proving durable and consistent in operation. 6. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot has established itself as one of the most reliable three-row SUVs available, with Consumer Reports data showing consistent above-average reliability across multiple model years. This reliability, combined with practical interior packaging and reasonable operating cost, makes the Pilot a standout choice for families who need dependable transportation. Honda's naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine provides adequate power while prioritizing reliability over maximum performance. This engine design has been refined over years of production, with Honda addressing potential issues and optimizing components for durability. Owners report smooth, reliable operation even in high-mileage examples, with many Pilots surpassing 200,000 miles without major engine work. The 9-speed automatic transmission, despite initial concerns about complexity, has proven reliable in Pilot applications. Honda's calibration and programming eliminate most of the issues that can affect multi-speed automatics, resulting in smooth shifts and dependable operation. Consumer Reports data shows transmission problems are significantly below average for the Pilot. Three-row functionality is enhanced by Honda's attention to build quality and durability. Interior materials and components are designed to withstand the heavy use that family SUVs typically experience. Owners report that seating surfaces, trim pieces, and storage components maintain their appearance and functionality even after years of family duty. Safety and reliability go hand in hand with the Pilot, as Honda's suite of active safety features has proven both effective and durable. Consumer Reports data shows these systems operating consistently without the false alarms or failures that can affect more complex safety suites in some competing vehicles. 7. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to earn Consumer Reports recommendations through consistent reliability and owner satisfaction. The Forester's straightforward design philosophy prioritizes dependability and functionality over flashy features, resulting in an SUV that owners can count on regardless of weather conditions or driving demands. Subaru's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine provides adequate power while maintaining the reliability that has made Subaru engines legendary among enthusiasts. This engine design, while not the most powerful in its class, has been refined over decades to eliminate potential trouble spots. Owners report consistent, reliable operation even under demanding conditions. The standard all-wheel drive system represents one of the most reliable implementations of all-wheel drive available. Subaru's symmetrical system uses proven mechanical components rather than complex electronic controls, resulting in a drivetrain that provides confident traction while maintaining long-term reliability. Consumer Reports data shows drivetrain issues are minimal in Forester ownership. Interior durability reflects Subaru's understanding of how their vehicles are actually used. Materials and construction are designed to withstand outdoor activities, pet transportation, and general family use without showing premature wear. Owners report that interior components maintain their functionality and appearance even under heavy use. Consumer Reports reliability data shows the Forester scoring above average in most categories, with particular strength in engine and drivetrain reliability. The electrical system is robust, with owners reporting few issues with climate control, infotainment, or other electronic components. 8. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner represents traditional SUV reliability in its purest form. While other manufacturers have moved toward more complex designs, Toyota has maintained the 4Runner's focus on proven, durable components that simply work. Consumer Reports data reflects this philosophy, with the 4Runner earning high reliability scores despite its relatively unchanged design. The naturally aspirated 4.0-liter V6 engine has been refined over years of production to eliminate potential issues while maintaining adequate power for SUV duties. This engine prioritizes reliability over maximum efficiency, resulting in a powertrain that owners can count on regardless of driving conditions. Many 4Runners surpass 300,000 miles without major engine work, testimony to Toyota's conservative engineering approach. The four-wheel drive system utilizes proven mechanical components rather than complex electronic controls. This traditional approach means the 4Runner not only provides exceptional off-road capability, but does so with components that can be serviced and repaired if necessary. Consumer Reports data shows drivetrain reliability is exceptional, with major failures being rare exceptions rather than expected problems. Interior durability is designed for the 4Runner's intended use. Materials and construction prioritize function over luxury, resulting in components that withstand outdoor activities and general abuse without premature failure. Owners report that interior systems continue functioning properly even after years of demanding use. The 4Runner's reliability extends to its capability systems. Four-wheel drive, traction control, and other systems designed for challenging conditions prove both effective and durable. Consumer Reports data shows these systems maintaining their reliability even under the demanding conditions that 4Runner owners regularly encounter. 9. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 combines luxury refinement with Toyota's legendary reliability, creating a premium SUV that Consumer Reports consistently ranks among the most dependable luxury vehicles available. This combination of luxury features and proven reliability makes the RX 350 particularly appealing to buyers who want premium amenities without sacrificing dependability. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine provides smooth, refined power while maintaining the reliability standards that have made Toyota engines legendary. This engine has been optimized for the luxury market, providing quiet, vibration-free operation while maintaining the durability that owners expect. Consumer Reports data shows engine reliability is exceptional, with major issues being extremely rare. Interior luxury is matched by exceptional build quality and attention to detail. Materials and construction reflect Lexus's commitment to long-term durability, with owners reporting that leather surfaces, wood trim, and electronic components maintain their appearance and functionality even after years of ownership. The fit and finish quality justifies the luxury price premium. Electronic systems in the RX 350 represent mature technology that has been refined over multiple generations. Rather than rushing the latest features to market, Lexus focuses on ensuring that existing systems work reliably. Consumer Reports data shows electrical system reliability is significantly above average, with owners experiencing few issues with infotainment, climate control, or luxury features. The RX 350's reliability extends to its luxury and convenience features. Systems like adaptive cruise control, premium audio, and power accessories prove both effective and durable. This reliability means owners can enjoy luxury features without the concern that complex systems will become expensive repair problems as the vehicle ages. What makes these 9 SUVs special isn't just their individual reliability records, it's the philosophy behind their design and manufacturing. Each of these vehicles represents a commitment to proven engineering principles rather than cutting-edge technology that hasn't been thoroughly tested in real-world conditions. Toyota and Lexus dominate this list because of their systematic approach to reliability. They prioritize mature, proven technology over the latest innovations, ensuring that new features are thoroughly tested before implementation.